Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel techmyhire. In my past videos, I've told you about Unacademy's Next Level app. Now, Next Level is coming up with an amazing product called AI-powered Resume Builder. Next Level's Resume Builder uses cutting-edge AI technology to create polished and professional-looking resume in just minutes. Yes, you can use this to create and customize your resume for different number of professions and job titles. With the help of this resume builder, you can create your resume by just giving simple answers to all the fields after giving all the details, and when you come down to the summary tab, you just need to enter the keyword relating to your profession or the job you are looking for, and when you click on improve using AI button, the AI will generate entire professional summary for you based on the keyword, and that's it. All the details are marked and you can download your resume related to that profession. And trust me, it is that easy. No more spending hours and hours in front of your laptop looking for the right words to create your own resume. Next Level Resume Builder will give you edge over other applicants. Yes, and if you're working in a particular domain and if you are open for the related domains as well, you can create the resumes. Yes, for example, if you are working in business development roles and also open for corporate relations role, then you can create both the resumes with just answering the simple prompts. Boom, that's it. The AI will generate the resumes, and these resumes are on par with the industry standards, and that will help you to clear your job hunt easily. So if you are looking for a platform to create a world-class resume, then Next Level's Resume Builder is a must-go-to platform. Yes. And with the help of this platform, you can keep your resume updated on multiple platforms to showcase your skills even if you're not searching for the job actively. And the other thing is, you can use this resume builder even on your laptop or in the phone. Yes, if you're on your phone, I have provided the link in the description. Check out that, and when you open the link, open it in desktop mode and you can use the resume builder, fill out your details and create your professional summary, download your resume. That's it. You can apply for your jobs and get placed in a dream job that you are actively searching for. So I hope all of you will make use of this amazing AI-powered resume builder to create your own resume and apply for the jobs. And I wish all of you best of luck for your jobs, and I want all of you to check out this AI-powered resume builder right now to create amazing resumes for your career and apply for the jobs with the help of these resumes. I've provided the link in the description. Check out the website right now, open it, create your own resume, download it and apply for the jobs. And when you get the job, you will remember the AI-powered resume builder every time when you go to the job. So see you in the next videos. If you find the video useful, please like, comment your opinion and share the video to all your friends and colleagues so that they will also get benefit from the AI-powered resume builder. See you in the next videos.